Make a great choice today with the 2016 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, universal garage door opener, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, tinted glass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.